Hey, morning. Made it past 7 o'clock last night. Not much past 9 o'clock though. I was out for the count. Still woke up early, like 6 o'clock. Had a run around the lake. Well, I walked, dog ran. So 45 minutes. It's nearly 8:45 now. Let's get some breakfast. Head up to Northampton. 24k service on a 2011 Tiger 800. Should be pretty straightforward. I've got space to work in a workshop, he says. Hopefully see you there. Right, here we are. 24k is actually just turned into a engine service, so they're doing the valve clearances, dropping his coolant, new spark plugs, and an air filter. He's already got his cane and air filter and some coolant there. Put those in. Came off at Green Lane not long ago, so just clean up these panels. Got to get an aftermarket headlight because no headlights available. See if I can sort out the panels there. I just got the cam cover off. Folks, as you can see, the black silicone on the head. There it is. So someone has been in before and checked them. It's the last two in the exhaust that are usually the tightest, but that's the feeler gauge there. Going in nicely. Rest are all in spec too. So that's just the cam cover. Give it a clean up and new gaskets. And build that back up. Okay, that's just done. I think it took us longer to remember how the screens fit and do the bits of the service. Haven't fitted a screen since 2014. We used to PDI the bikes. Still a few screws missing, and that bracket's a bit bent. One's on. What does a tree surgeon do with his old saw blades? Makes more security.